morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Tuesday, April 2nd. Attention seniors, please bring in one baby photo and 5 pictures of Mrs. Nichols or Madison Collins by tomorrow. Senior trip tickets to Kings Island are on sale for the next 2 weeks in room 122 with Mrs. Higgins. Tickets are $40, check or cash. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. Prom tickets go on sale Monday. Please purchase your ticket from Mrs. Wolfington in the office. Bring your receipt to sign up for a table in room 303. And now to Audrey with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Last night, boys baseball was defeated against Scottsburg. They were defeated 0-9. Girls varsity softball lost 6-5 against Du Bois, and JV lost 5-2. There will be a varsity track meet tonight at home against Borden starting at 5. Back to you, Joni.
Attention Drama Club members, keep selling candy, but please turn in the candy money you have collected. And now to Aiden with your weather report. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.